Alright, I decided to try to clean my gun since I never cleaned it. It has been oiled I oiled it when I've got it. Try the Z9 mags one more time for the day. This one's got 10, 9 plus 1, and here's 9 in here. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, we locked back. Very happy about that. I'm also gonna get their spring just in case. There, I got 1 in the chamber plus 9. Try it again. Alright, lock back again. So I got this gun brand new. You got to make sure, I think I was riding the slides sometimes maybe. So you got to keep your hand down. I think riding the slide was doing a lot of it maybe. Or not even riding it, just having it anywhere near there will do it. Also, I cleaned and lubed it, which it was pretty much clean from the factory, but I took out the factory oil, put my Lucas gun oil in there. So I don't know why the cleaning and lube would do anything, but it did. So it's working now. I'm gonna keep testing it. I'm gonna contact customer service and get the stronger springs, because these are pretty weak compared to even these ones with the extension. It's a lot different. It's much harder to push that down than this. This is like nothing. So that might have a couple things going with it. I don't know. Thanks for watching.